Feels on the turn. They're off. Between horses, that's the Lodo King for the early lead. On the rail, Lane Skipper, Mary Carey Dancer is 3 wide, and into that first turn they go. Mary Carey Dancer takes the lead a length. The Lodo King is second, racing in third position. Goes Lane Skipper, Mighty Captain fourth. That Lord is fifth. Racing 6, Richard Bird, Just Matt 7th, Bahama Joe, and the Power Express, the quarter. 29 and 3 with Mary Carey Dancer, the leader. Quickly up on the outside, Mighty Captain to challenge second. Racing third as they go to the 3/8. That's Lodo King. The new leader now is Mighty Captain. Racing in second of the club turn goes Mary Carey Dancer. Racing in third, Lodo King. In fourth to the half-mile, Lane Skipper. Ada Lord being outpaced fifth. The half-mile, 58 and 3. The leader is Mighty Captain with Lodo King. The challenger second, moving up third as they go to the 3/4. That's Lane Skipper. Along the rail fourth, Mary Carey Dancer. Richard Bird moves into fifth. Lodo King a half length, holding the inside is Mighty Captain. Racing third to the 3/4 mile pole now on the outside. Lane Skipper 3/4, 128 and 3. They turn for home with Lodo King the leader by 3 lengths. In the lane it's Lodo King the leader. Racing in second position, Lane Skipper on the outside. Richard Bird is closing for the lead. That's Richard Bird on the outside and Lane Skipper. Richard Bird.